Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to unboxing a surprising anime box. This anime box is from Akibento. Akibento is an anime subscription box. So they send an anime and manga related stuff every month. So a lot of stuff are exclusive made by them. If you use this code, this box will only cost $20 for first month. It's not included shipping. So the items in one box are worth $60. Thanks to Akibento for sponsoring me this box. I don't know what is inside. I just know the thing is scrawled. It could be interesting gift for like birthday or Christmas, right? Let's see what is inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Looks like it has 6 items. What is this shirt? It looks like the t-shirt is for boys. I'm not sure what is this character. Looks like this is my size. Are you sure this one is for girls? That's the t-shirt. Yes, I have one cinnamon item. I wonder what is this? Cinnamon figure. I could get one figure. So I wish I could get cinnamon or Sinner Venus or Sinner Mass or Chibimon or something else. I'm just wishing. I'm wishing it. I don't know what inside. Could be anything. I'm just destroying the box. Let me feel it. I feel tails. It could be Luna or Artemis. I like both of them. I hope my guess is right. It's cinnamon. Wow, I'm so lucky I got cinnamon. So cute. I really love it. Really love it. I'm surprised. So lucky. I always like cinnamon. I watched the cinnamon since I was in elementary school. So she's my favorite one in cinnamon. I also like Sinner Venus and Sinner Mass. And other members, I like all of them, but cinnamon is my favorite. And Lula. So cute, so cute, so cute. Very happy about it. I wish the t-shirt is cinnamon too. I like it. So lucky. Okay, next one. What is in this box? So this one is the puzzle cube. Wanted puzzle cube. So it's a game, right? So this one is the Akibento exclusive cube. Will change your mind. You won't ever be bored solving this cube. When you have 6 anime inspired design to look at, as you solve it, twist, turn, and rotate to match up the design again on all sides. It sounds very interesting. You'll recognize any of them. This one is from, I don't remember, but it reminds me of, I don't know the English name. I know the Chinese name. So this one is, I'm not sure. Is this One Piece? So it has 6 anime inspired design. Okay, I will mess it up. If I mess it up, I don't think I can get them all in one place. So it needs to match up the design on all sides, not all sides. That's not right. Okay, so that's the cube. What is this one? So I have no idea what it. Oh, wow! It's a really nice necklace. Whoa! The necklace looks like a hat. It's a golden hat. So become part of crew by wearing this golden hat necklace. Put it down first. I'm not really sure, but this hat is also reminds me of the One Piece. It looks like his hat. Next. Oh, is this the next one? It looks like, oh, it has description of what you got in this box. So the last one is a book. What is this book? So this book is Akime ga Q manga. Look it up. Oh, have any of you read this before? It's got all the pictures. Maybe you don't have this problem, but I do have this problem. So I am more comfortable reading the small letter than the capital letter, as I know of some of my classmates and friends, so they just like me. So a lot of them prefer to read small letters than the capital letter. In this manga, is capital letter. I read faster if the letter is small letters, and this one is capital. So that's all the items in this box. And I also have a sticker and a button. This is the September box. I just reviewed it today. So that's everything in this box. You probably already know what is my favorite. Of course, my favorite is Cinnamon. I really love it. So cute. And I'm so glad I got my favorite character. It is pretty good quality. I thought the hair was tail. Check it out if you are interested. This box is for both boys and girls, and I think it makes a really good like Christmas gift. This is just like the snack box and makeup box. It's like a surprising box and you don't know what inside. And I actually wish they have more like girly stuff in the box. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing video. Really love this. I need to have a display box to put it. Bye bye.